The contingency billing method allows you to track hours as non-billable and only bill against the case closing settlement at the close of the case. To add a new contingency project, click Projects from your navigation bar and click Add Project. You have two required fields on this screen, your client and project name. Type in your project name, then click inside the client field to pull down your client list. You can also start typing in the search bar to select a specific client, and you can add a new client if you have access to do so. You can attach a client contact for file purposes and assign a user to the project. You can also choose a project type and customize these types as much as needed and use those to filter reports or invoices. Your billing method has three different options: hourly, contingency, and flat fee. Let's choose contingency for the purpose of this tutorial. We will later explore the other two billing method options and how they bill in the system. After choosing contingency, enter in a contingency rate. This rate will be calculated against your settlement amount. Subscribers can be used to customize user access in the program as well as email alerts, and lastly, you can add a full description, which is strictly internal. When finished, click Save. Working with a contingency project, all entries will default to hourly work and non-billable, so you can track the hours worked but not bill them against your hourly rates. When finished with the project, click to add one more time entry, then change the entry type from hourly work to case closing settlement and enter in the settlement amount. Finish filling out the rest of the entry and click Save and Close. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time Add New Contingency Project tutorial. Please click to continue watching for the next video in the series.